जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यमुना तीरवनचारी यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यमुना तीरवनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यमुना तीरवनचारी यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यमुना तीरवनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद भज श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद भज गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada Prabhupada Srila Prabhupada Jaya Gurudeva Jaya Gurudeva Gurudeva Jaya Gurudeva Gurudev 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 Jai Srila Gurudev हरिनाम संकीर्तन नमोत्सव की जय भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी शिल प्रबंध महाराज की जय निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल Hare Krishna. So today is special class and nobody knows what the class is about. Those who are not showing their faces, please दर्शन दीजिए. हम भी आपके दर्शनाभिलाषी हैं. आप ना हमारा दर्शन ले लेंगे, अपना दर्शन नहीं देंगे, ये तो बात गड़बड़ है ना. Hare Krishna. Sir, Neela Madhav also listening. And our Keshav Krishna Kishore Prabhu is still hiding. I don't know why they are hiding. Only girls should hide, gents should never hide. So, and where is Krishna Chandra Prabhu? Oh, maybe he has not got up. He had a whole night kirtan, so he must be sleeping. So tell me, what do you want to like? What do you like to listen? Then we can come to the conclusion. What we should do today.
प्रभु जी आप डिसाइड करें. हरे कृष्णा क्या सुनाना है हम लोग क्या.
नहीं फिर भी इच्छा तो होती है यार, आज ये सुनेगा तो मजा आ जाएगा. बोलिए बोलिए बोलिए.
प्रभु जी दामोदर कथा.
दामोदर कथा. वेरी गुड. हु एल्स?
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji, importance of Vaishnava association.
Very good. What else?
Glory of Jagannath Prabhu.
Very good.
Hare Krishna, glory of Jagannath Bhagwan.
Very good. What else? Chandrasekhar Prabhu, you tell me now.
प्रभु जी जो आप सुना दे वही सुनेंगे, जो हमारे लिए जो है लाभप्रद हो हम तो वही कहेंगे अपनी इच्छा से. हमारे गुरु हैं तो हमारे जो है सही रास्ता आप ही दिखलाएंगे. आप तो जो विश करेंगे.
आप बहुत चालू लगते हैं मेरे को. मतलब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं लेनी. मेरी कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है. तुम बोलो भैया, हम तो सुनेंगे.
हर चीज तो सुनना ही है प्रभु जी, हर चीज सुनना ही है. हम लोग जो है इंटरेस्ट लेते हैं हर चीज. ये नहीं है कि इसमें इंटरेस्ट लेंगे इसमें इंटरेस्ट नहीं. इंटरेस्ट जो है सब में है, तो जो सुना देंगे उसमें हम इंटरेस्ट ले लेंगे प्रभु जी. ये बात है.
आपने
प्रभु जी ठाकुर बोल रहे हैं न खाता न पही, जो शिक्षा गुरु बोले वही सही.
देखो ये चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट है इसलिए खाता भाई की बात कर रहा है।
थैंक यू।
खाता भाई क्यों बोल रहा है ये चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट है ना इसलिए इसको खाता भाई नजर आता, बाकी कुछ नजर नहीं आता। आपने भागवतम सुनी होगी, अच्छे अच्छे प्रवचन सुने होंगे, लेकिन सुखदेव गोस्वामी ने अंतिम समय में परीक्षित महाराज को क्या अंतिम उपदेश दिया उसके बारे में आपने सुना नहीं होगा। परीक्षित महाराज का अंतिम उपदेश अपने गुरु से क्या मिला, आइए उसके बारे में आज चर्चा करते हैं, ठीक है? क्योंकि जो जो चीज़ें आपने कही हैं वो हमने बहुत बार दोहराई गई हैं, चाहे वैष्णव एसोसिएशन हो, चाहे दामोदर लीला हो, चाहे जगन्नाथ जी हो, बहुत कथाएं सुनी हमने, लेकिन जो आपने नहीं सुना है आज उसकी बात करते हैं। अलंकार केशव प्रभु दर्शन दीजिए। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय, ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय, ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासां ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यां भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तमश्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी। अलंकार प्रभु तक शायद हमारी आवाज़ नहीं जा रही है। प्रभु जी दर्शन दीजिए। तो ये है श्रीमद् भागवतम 12वां स्कंद और 5वां अध्याय। थोड़े से श्लोक हैं, आइए समझने की कोशिश करते हैं कि शुकाचार्य अंतिम समय में क्या अंतिम बात कर रहे हैं। बहुत कुछ कहा जाता है, जैसे आपका कोई प्रिय घर से निकल रहा हो। हम पुराने जमाने में बात करते हैं, हमारी मम्मी पापा दूर तक हमें छोड़ने आते थे कि बेटा ये करना, बेटा ये करना, बेटा ये करना, बेटा ये करना, बहुत सारी बातें करते थे। और आखिर में बोलते अरे सब छोड़, चिट्ठी लिख देना, सब छोड़, चिट्ठी लिख देना कि तू ढंग से पहुंच गया। तो श्रीमद् भागवता में भी परीक्षित महाराज ने अपने गुरु से बहुत सारी चीजें सुनी, बहुत सारी चीजें सुनी, और अंतिम अब वो कह रहे हैं, अब अंतिम जो उनका प्रवचन है, आइए उसको सुनते हैं और उसमें आनंद लेते हैं। श्रीमद् भागवतम कांटो 12 चैप्टर 5। सुखदेव गोस्वामी इज फाइनल इंस्ट्रक्शन टू महाराजा परीक्षित। श्री सुखोवाच अत्रानुवर्ण्यत भीक्षणं विश्वात्मा भगवान् हरिः यस्य प्रसादजो ब्रह्मा रुद्र क्रोध समुद्भवः। Time concern is there, so I will not go to synonym, I will just go to translation direct. Sukadeva Goswami said, this Srimad Bhagavatam has elaborately described in various narrations of the Supreme Soul of all that be, the personality of Godhead, Hari, from whose satisfaction Brahma is born, and from whose anger Rudra takes birth. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjan Salakaya Chakshmritam Venam Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah Sri Chaitanya Mano Vishnam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupakadamayam Dadati Supatantikam Bandeyam Sri Guru Padakamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnavam Cha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunathan Pidantam Sajivam Sadhvetam Savadutam Parijana Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sagana Lalita Sri Vishakhanvitam Cha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpate Gopesa Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute Tapti Kachana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vishwahanasute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vangsha Kalpataru Vaishya Kripa Sindhuvayevacha Patita Nama Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namah Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते जयपताका स्वामिनिति नामने नमाचार्य पादाय निताय कृपाप्रदायने गौरकथादामदाय नगरग्राम धारणे नमः। ओम विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी निति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी गौरवाणी परिचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। जय शिला प्रभुपाद। So Sukadeva Goswami saying, this Srimad Bhagavatam has elaborately described in various narrations of the Supreme Soul of all that be, the personality of God, Hari. Now, if somebody asks you, Prabhu, what is in Srimad Bhagavatam? So I think you require more than 4 or 5 months to speak what is in Srimad Bhagavatam. You will not be able to say what is in Srimad Bhagavatam. So Sukacharya has made it very practical for us to tell people what is in Srimad Bhagavatam. One liner. Isn't it beautiful? Otherwise, oh, it is like this, it is like, no, nothing like that. Srimad Bhagavatam has elaborately described the various narrations of super soul of all that be, the personality of God Hari. Why not Krishna? Why Hari? Hari Haraya. Hari takes away the inauspiciousness from the heart of the devotee, those who are inclined to know him. So Hari. And what is Hari? When Hari was satisfied completely, Brahma was born. And anybody who's born, you know what? He always gets angry. You all must be getting angry. Well, Brahma got angry only once in his lifetime. You may be getting angry every minute or every hour or every week or every day or every month, something like that. So see the anger. Anyone who's born, mark this note, anyone who's born, he will get angry. But Krishna will never get angry. Lord Shiva is born, he will get angry. Krishna, Vishnu, they never get angry. Now there is a difference to get angry and to pose like an anger. We have discussed a lot. So he is saying that Srimad Bhagavatam is nothing but the narration of the Supreme Person of Godhead. Hari. Because every time you hear about Krishna, all anarthas that we have, it vanishes. It uprooted. It is born too. So that's a Hari. And Brahma was born when Krishna is satisfied. Good thing always happens when Krishna is satisfied. Because he is Satvatam Pati. Mannam jahasa vaikunto mohayan nivamayaya. Lord is always in happy mood. Happiest person. To watch, to hear, to contemplate, to meditate, and to talk about. Mannam. Mannam means he is laughing very slowly. Mannam jahasa vaikunto mohayan nivamayaya. He is innocent Maya. His Maya bewilders others. But his Maya does not bewilder him, rather his Maya serves him. So that was the first sloka. Second one. Tvam tu rajan marisheti pasabuddhi mimam jahi na jata praga bhutadhya dehavatvam na nakshasi. O king, give up the materialistic mentality of things. I am going to die. Unlike the body, you have not taken birth. There was not a time in the past when you did not exist, and you are not about to be destroyed. You see? O king. Here, the king, he is pointing out to Parikshit Maharaj, but giving this instruction to all beings, those who are living in human form. Give up the animalistic mentality. I am going to die. And everybody says, I am going to die. Everybody says I'm going to die, but nobody is prepared to die. Because we know it is 100% sure. Anyone who's born is going to die. But the irony is none of us are ready to die. So I'm going to die unlike the body. What is body? Anything that is born is going to destroy. Jatasi mirto dhruvam adhruvam mirto sicha. If anybody is born, he's going to die for sure. But nobody is ready to die. But we know Srila Prabhupada, he was ready to die. We know Bhakti Charu Maharaj, he was ready to die. We know Gaur Govinda Swami, he was ready to die. They were ready to die. Yeah, okay. The time has come. So he says, this is the animalistic mentality. Oh, if I die, what happened to my children? What happened to my family? What will happen to them? Nothing will happen to them. I lost my mother when I was only 2 years old, but I'm still living. The question is, somebody dies, somebody bonds, nothing happens to the individuality. We remain. Natvevaham jatu nasam natvam neme janadhipa na cheva bhavishyamaha vayamate sarve mahimata param. Never there was a time Arjuna is being informed by Lord Sri Krishna that you did not exist and I did not. And will always be. But you forgot and I remember. That's the only thing. So those who are thoughtful person, they make an arrangement. Not arrangement to take insurance policy. You know, these terrorists, you know, they all have insurance policies. 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 60. They know they are going to die and they will become rich. But insurance people are also very smart. They put a clause. No claim will be paid if the terrorist activities are involved. So they want to take the premium from them, they won't pay any money because the clause is there. So even if you make a plan, this will happen, that will happen, it may not work out. So this is animal propensity. Have you seen the animal? No, you must understand the animal. If you take the animal to the field, to the jungle, so while going on the road, they start picking here, picking there, picking here, picking there, you know, grasping here, grasping there. Particularly the goats and the animals, they just go, they are just start eating. So this is called animalistic propensity. Are we only born? You know, there is a great difference between the food and the prasadam. The food is, if somebody puts in your plate, you will eat as much as you want, the rest you will throw. The food. And then you are very magnanimity. Oh, no, other jivas will honor the prasadam, food. But when prasadam comes in your plate, if by mistake is fallen down, you will pick up from down and eat it up. It's fallen down, the prasadam is fallen down on the ground, something like that, you will just pick it up and eat it up. So that's the difference between the food and the prasadam. So here, in prasadam, any situation a man is, favorable, unfavorable. Since we have the body, so many things unfavorable will come, circumstances. But in all those circumstances, we have to remain a devotee. Think of Krishna. Machitta madagata prana bodhayanta parasparam kathayanta shamam nityam tusyanti cha ramanti cha. So he is saying, Parikshit Maharaj, give up materialistic mentality. And sorry to say, every one of us, including me, have that propensity that I will die, but never prepare for it. You know, these some ants are there, and they know after 1 month or 15 days, the rain will come. So they go out in the jungle, pick up the things, and store the food for themselves to survive the 4 months rainy season. Now they also have the intelligence. And if we try to do the same thing, then what's the difference between them and us? So he says, give up this mentality, I'm going to die. No, I'm preparing to die. That's the thing. I'm going to die, I am preparing to die. That's the beauty. And everybody should prepare for the dying. Eventually everybody will die. And then so many people think, oh, what if in the end of the life I can't remember God? Well, maybe. But can you remember Him now? No. In there, everything on God. He will do it. I can't do anything. How can I remember Him? I'll become old. Oh, the very nice sloka, Mukundamala. Bhatha Pitta Kapai. Krishna Tvadiya Pada Pankaja Panjarantam. So what do we do? Everything Krishna. What if I don't remember? You can remember it now. Do it now. Forget about the future. Tomorrow nobody has seen. We are only living for the day. Next hour we have not seen. In the evening, tomorrow, what happened we have not seen. So let us prepare. So Parikshit Maharaj being informed, don't think I'm going to die. I'm prepared to die. And then what is prepared to now? Janma lava param pumsam ante narayana smritihi. This is the preparation. Janma lava param pumsam ante narayana smritihi. So not I'm going to die, so I'm going to die. No, I'm preparing to die. Next shloka will take. Na bhavishyasi bhutva tam putra pautradi rupavan Bijankura badehadir vyaktirikto yatha nalaha. You will not take birth again in the form of your sons and grandsons. Like a sprout taking birth from a seed, then generating new seeds. Rather, you are entirely distinct from the material body and its paraphernalia. In the same way that fire is distinct from its fuel. Now he is forecasting. You will not take birth again. To whom? Not only to Maharaj Parikshit. All those who are hearing Srimad Bhagavatam and all those who are Krishna or Vishnu Parayanaha or Narayana Parayanaha or Ramaha Narsimha Parayanaha. So they will not take birth again. It's not like he's given an example of the sprout, the seed, they sprout, bear more seeds, and again the cycle goes on and on and on. He said, no, you will not do that. Definitely not that. Rather, you are entirely distinct. You know, once Mahatma Buddha, he was going with his followers, and one of the public, they didn't like him, and one man came near to him and spit on his face. So Gautam Buddha picked up his towel, cleaned it up, and go, Ahimsa paramo dharma, ahimsa paramo dharma, dharma saranam, buddham saranam gacchami, dharmam saranam gacchami. You know. So his Bhattukas there were, they got very angry, and they said, permission, sir, give us the permission, we'll kill this man. He said, which man? Bolo, who spit on your face? Bolo, who was he? He said, no, I don't know who did it. And then for the next day, when the man who spit on his face, he came to know that, oh, I have been pardoned by the Gautam Buddha. He comes to him, asks for an audience, goes where you're sitting, and fall prostrate on his feet. Please excuse me. And Lord Buddha says, who are you? He says, you know, I made a mistake yesterday, I spit on your face. Well, when? What was it about? He said, I hope you're not angry. He said, oh, so because of you I should get angry, and because of you I should be happy. So you are controlling my anger, you are controlling my happiness. What do you think of yourself? Do what you have to do. I am out of the body. I am distinct. Why I am telling this? Because he said you are entirely distinct from the material body. Anything happened to the material body. Now, can we have that feelings? No, definitely not. But then, what all you can do? If somebody has insulted you, take 24 hours gap to reply. That much you can do. You suppose somebody insulted me, I insulted you. Okay, fine. You got hurt. Wait for 24 hours. Think of it what you want to reply. And then reply. And I am sure within the 24 hours you'll forget what has happened. So we have to be instinct from the material body. My anger is not material body. My happiness is not material body. I am different from the body. This hand is on my body. The head of my body. Everything belongs to my body. But then where is the body? If everything belongs to the body, then whom does the body belongs to? The body belongs to the soul. And soul is immune for these smallest things. So he's saying, my dear Parikshit, you are distinct from material body and paraphernalia. In the same way, the fire is distinct from the fuel. The fire is burning because there is a fuel. But fuel is not the fire and fire is not the fuel. It's because of combination. Okay. Now, if fire gets extinguished, fire never cries, feel pain. Oh my God, I've extinguished. I lost my the flame and no, never cry. They are distinct. So similarly, today we should know we are distinct. Therefore, anything happen to me directly or indirectly, then what we should do? Try to tolerate. Matra sparshashu kaunteya shitoshana sukh dukadaha agmapayano nityam tam sa atitikshasva bharata. Try to tolerate. Kshama is the greatest weapon one may have. Mahabharata war started with the words. Simple by words. Karna saying, Draupadi is a prostitute. Just by word. Draupadi saying, Duryodhana is a blind because he is a son of a blind. Everything word. Simply word. And because of this word, when the war took place, 1,660,000,000 and 20,000 people died. Just words, right? Simple words. So sometimes you have to watch what you are saying. How? Jive sadeva bhaja sundarani namani krishnasya manoharani samasta bhaktirtha vinashanani govinda damo dharamadaveti govinda damo dharamadaveti. If you can think of Krishna, chant holy name properly, so I guarantee bad words will not come out from your mouth for anybody. You may feel agitated, but the bad word will not come. Like Durvasa Muni, anything happen, curse. No. Amanina manadena kirtaniya sadahari. If anybody wants to do kirtana always, then he has to be amanina and giving respect to all. So he's saying we are distinct. See the final distinction? We are distinct from the body. Anything happen to the body. Now, if Takshaka come, whom is going to cut? Body. And he is saying, you are not the body. So what difference does it make? Tell me. Huh? And he said, you will need to take note again. So let me take the text another also. Swapne yatha sri chedam panchatvadyatmanam swayam yasmat pasyanti dehasya tata atma hi jo maraha. Example. In a dream, one can see his own head being cut off and thus understand that his actual self is standing apart from the dream experience. Similarly, while awake one can see that his body is product of the five material elements. Therefore, it is to be understood that the actual self, the soul, is distinct from the body. It observes and is unborn and immortal. He is given an example of dream. Sometimes we may have seen so many dreams, even our own death. But then who's witnessing the death? If practically when we'll die, we'll not be able to remember, right? We say two experiences we can never ever share with anybody. The experience of my birth, then experience of my death. These two experiences, nobody can ever tell anybody. This is hear and say, but not his own, not our own. So he's saying this body is like a dream. You're seeing things happening. Once there was a yogi, he was giving a class. And here the jungle, so nearby what he saw, that one lizard is taking another insect. So he started crying. His disciple said, Guru Maharaj, what happened? He said, no, I am thinking I'm a guru and you are my disciple. But don't you think it could be a dream? Maybe I am that particular insect which is being devoured by this lizard. I am dreaming. And therefore, good happened to me is a dream, bad happened to me is a dream. Somebody says, oh, Krishna, take the test. Right? You may have said many, many times, Krishna, take the test. Do you think you are capable enough to take the test? Do you think yourself so great that Krishna will come? Okay, Mataji, Prabhuji, ready, I want to take your test. No! He doesn't take the test. But let us say, even if he wants to take the test, Achinta Veda Vedatva, even if he wants to take a test, you will pass all the tests if you have a taste for him. You will pass all the tests if you have a taste for him. And problem? You know how much problem Krishna gives? As much as we can tolerate. Only that much. He knows our capacity. He will not give you more than that. Whatever you can tolerate, only that much. So you will pass all the test if you have a taste for Krishna. Both sides. First of all, he will never come. Even if he comes, then make sure, believe he is not going to take a test that will fail. But for that, you have to develop the taste. And taste of Name Ruchi, Jiva Daya, Vaishnava Sevan. Alright? So the soul is distinct. We all know. Many examples Prabhupada has given. You have heard a lot in the Srimad Bhagavatam. But he is giving a final instruction. Parikshit, you are separate from the soul. Takshaka come and only touch your body. But he cannot touch you. Okay? So let us say, text 5. Oh, I am not able to finish this. I will go fast now. Ghate bhinne ghatakasa akasa shyadhyatha pura evam dehe mrite jivo brahma sampadyate punaha. Another example. When a pot is broken, the portion of the sky within the pot remains as the element sky, just as before. In the same way, when the gross and subtle bodies die, the living entity within resumes his spiritual identity. I don't know whether you remember or not. I used to say Ghatakas and Patakas. You remember? 20 years before. Ghatakas and Patakas. Ghatakas in sky in the picture. And Patakas is sky outside the picture. All Paramatma. So let us say, can somebody say, oh, in my picture, I have covered the sky. But nobody can touch the sky. Similarly, you were saying, my soul, some people say, my soul is trapped within the body. My soul is trapped within the body. No, soul can never be trapped. It's not a material arrangement that it could get trapped within the limbs of the body, with the bones and marrow and blood and skin and veins and arteries. No, soul cannot be captured. It's the same Ghatakas and Patakas. But we think, oh, my soul, poor soul, has been captivated. No, soul never captivated. Soul is swachandaha, swatantrataha. When it came within the body, did we ask, my dear soul, please come in my body? Or when the soul will go out, do we say, my dear soul, you can leave now, I have had enough? No. It's swachanda. It might come when he wants, it'll go away when he wants. So, this is Ghatakas and Patakas. You can never capture the soul, and soul is not entrapped. Then what happened? Of his own will, of his own desire, he has accepted the body. It's not been forced. Even Krishna did not force the soul. He said, no, I want to enjoy the material way of life. Krishna is okay. I don't know how many of you have done the scuba diving. When you go to the scuba diving, you have to go deep down, maybe 30, 40 feet down the sea, but you have to have an apparatus. If you have a total deep diving. So you have apparatus, cleans your this one, and oxygen on top, and you can go deep down, you can do many, many down. But you are already connected. So similarly, the soul has been drowning down and down and down and down in the material world, but is oxygen with Paramatma. He can pull it anytime he wants. So it will enjoy. Now when you go, you see the different kind of fishes and the corals and the shark and so many things you see. You enjoy. But you are only enjoying because the oxygen is supplied. Similarly, the soul has been captivated in that way of its own desire. See, nobody can force you to go for scuba diving, right? Nobody can force you. You say, sir, I want to do, here's the money, give me a apparatus, sir, I want to go. So similarly, soul has never been entangled forcibly by Krishna, of her own accord. See, you all are here in Doha, right? Now, it is your choice to remain in Doha. Some of you might have gone to take the migration to Canada. You will go to Canada. Some of you might go to Australia or something like that. So it is your choice. You have not been forced. We have not been forced to come to Doha. No, my choice. So similarly, soul has a choice to accept the body to enjoy. Is not that captivated of his own way. I want to do it, I'll do that. Number 6. Mana srijati vedehan gunan karmani chatmanaha tan manaha srijate maya tato jivasya samshritihi. Beautiful. The material bodies, qualities and activities of the spirit soul are created by material mind. The mind itself created by the illusory potency of the Supreme Lord. And thus, the soul assumes the material existence. So from Mahavishnu comes false ego. And from false ego comes material elements. And the soul then implicated in the material elements and remain in material existence, sometime for trillions and trillions of years, or sometime Chipram bhavati dharmatma sasva shantim nigacchati kaunteha pratijani name bhakta pranasati. Chipram. Within a short period of time. Now it is my choice, your choice, our choice. What do we want to do with the body? Let this body become a tool to accomplish impossible. And it is simply not the body, but body becomes the via media of the soul to accomplish the lost remembrance of how to serve Krishna. That's it. Now, for that, nobody has to die. You can do the same thing here within the same body. And then if you do the same, then you will be known as Janaka. Then you will be known of without the body, living without the body. If you want, you can live without the body, without the pain. You must have seen the children. They're playing and playing and playing. Sometimes they even get a hairline fracture. Usually they keep playing and playing and playing. It's only after 4 or 5 hours they come to know, oh, there's a pain. That's it. So Videha. We can become Videha if we simply think of Krishna. Then don't worry about it that, my God, but I have got a job. What happened to that? I have family too. Hare? you'll fall in peculiar fashion that everybody will enjoy. So it's not that because you have a job you are enjoying. No, because Krishna has given you facility fructifying your prarabdha and you are enjoying. So we can enjoy. Ajagar kare na chakari, panchi kare na kam, das maluka kah gaye sabke dataram, tarvah kim na jivanti, vashra kim na shunnatah, kim khadanti na mehanti, grame pashuve pare. Tarvah kim na jivanti. Are the trees and herbs are no living? Bhasra kim na shunnatah. And the black bellow of the blacksmith is not breathing. Na khadanti na mehanti. Are the animals are not eating and discharging semen and producing the new children? Kim grame pashuve pare. This is available for everybody. Ahara nidra vayamaithunam cha. Samanyetat pasubhi naranam. Dharmo hitesham adhiko vishesho. Dharmena hina pasubhi samana. So we can become videha. We can still do the same activities which we are expected to do in Golok Vaikuntha. How? Desire, that's it. You have a desire, you have a tool to utilize it favor or unfavorably. So the wise person uses favorably and unwise unfavorably. So this is a desire. So you're saying is the mind. Mana eva manusyanam karanam bandha mokshayoho. Mana eva manusyanam karanam bandha mokshayoho. The mana that we have, it is the tool for getting liberated and for getting implicated. It's up to us. Now, after hearing all this, what should be going in the mind of Parikshit Maharaj? He said, yes, Guru Maharaj, I know that. Yes, Guru Maharaj, I know that. Yes, Guru Maharaj, whatever you're saying, I have already accomplished. Thank you very much for reminding me. Even any tinge of doubt I had, now you're clearing it. So these are the final instructions. Oh, wow, that is still, my God, I thought I'll be able to finish within 20 minutes. I don't know. Snehadhishtana vartyagni samyogo yavadiyate tavadipasya dipatvam evam deho krito bhava rajasattva-stamo britya jayate tha vinashyati. A lamp functions as much as only by the combination of its fuel, vessel, wick and fire. Similarly, material life based on the soul's identification with body that developed and destroyed by the workings of the material goodness, passion and ignorance, which are the constituent elements of the body. You know the body we have, you will not believe it. We change this body every 7 years. Every 7 years we have a new body. All cells are changed. Molecules are changed. Everything gets changed. Except our idea, except our attachment. The rest everything gets changed. Every 7 years. So let us see, some of us were the meat eaters 7 years before. And if for the last 7 years we are only eating prasadam, our body has been changed. Whereas, if in a vessel meat is cooked, and if you put that vessel in the Ganges water for only 100 years, it still will never get purified. But the human body, because it changes every cell, every blood drop is changed. Everything is changed. You have a new body every 7 years. So, this material goodness, passion and ignorance, it can be developed easily. And then how would I know I am in a goodness, I am in a passion? How would I know? Difficult, isn't it? Therefore, tasmat sarvesu kaleshu mam anusmriticha. Therefore, Krishna says, remember me every time you will be in sattva, you will be visuddha sattva. So why should we settle down for raja tama sattva? Why should we settle down? Let us go beyond. Tragunayo Vishaya Veda Nistra Guno Hordana. Let us get out of this. How? By chanting the holy name of the Lord. Now you may be saying, Prabhu, is easy saying than practicing. I said, no. It is easy practicing than saying. How? In your subconsciousness, if you keep repeating Hare Krishna Mahamantra, you can chant crores of names in your lifetime. Crores and crores. Not only 16 rounds on your mala, that's fine. That's okay. But beyond that, constantly even you are working. And if you are working and you are intense, you will get a solution like this because you are chanting the holy name of the Lord. You may not agree with me, try it out. Okay? So it says, the material body only exists. How much it exists? So long my soul or your soul derive the pleasure from the senses. Only that much day. As soon as the senses become blunt, the soul will say, Fem Allah, Anaro, Maafi Faida. Suno Faida in Anaro. So don't think your soul loves your body. No, it's only Nimitta Matra. Soul does not love anyone. Soul only loves Krishna. Huh? What is this sloka? Something, I'm forgetting this sloka. Okay? So, believe me or not, if you love soul, you can help soul. But if you think your soul is loving you, definitely not. Soul is very selfish. So long as enjoying the senses, driving the pleasure, he'll be with you. Otherwise, go. I don't need. So these are the elements of the body. And because the last time has come, maybe another 2-3 minutes, Takshaka is going to come. He's going to come. In a disguised form, of course. But Parikshit being reminded by his Guru Maharaj, what all I taught you. Even if I taught you all the Vishnu Tattvas, whether it is a Prahlada, it is a Dhuruba, it is a Ambrisha, what they were Videha. All these people, what are the gopis? Videha. Who was Vidura? Videha. All these, the people, those who are talking about, they are Videha. They were not attached to the body. They were attached to Krishna. So anybody who listens to Srimad Bhagavatam, he will not attach to the body, he will attach to Krishna. Isn't it fantastic? So if anybody has heard Srimad Bhagavatam, and then he is getting angry, it means he has never heard Srimad Bhagavatam. Or, what is that? Tirvedam narkasyedam dwaram nasam atmanaha. Kam krodha tatha lobha. Tasmat etat trayam tajet. Lobha is fantastic thing. The more you grow old, the more lobha you get it. In the childhood, there is no lobha. Huh? There is only kama and krodha. But when you grow old, then you get a kama, you get a krodha, and more on the top of this. 10 times of this, you get a lobha. What lobha? Oh, I have to protect my body. I have to take this medicine. I have to do this. I have done some investment. Okay, interest is less. Now let us put in the property. Bank is giving less interest. The more lobha, the more lobha, the more lobha. And dhana. The dhana we earn, in the end we are known as nidhana. Dhana, इसका निधन हो गया. जो धन कमाया यहीं रह गया. क्या हो गया? निधन हो गया. तो जब निधन होना है तो धन क्यों कमाओ? तो फिर क्या करें? यद्रक्षा लाभ संतुष्टो द्वंद्वति तो बमुत्सरा. जो आ रहा है उसको आने दो, उसको फेंकना नहीं कह रहा. ये नहीं कह रहे हैं कि आपको जब 50,000 सैलरी आप उसको सड़क में फेंक दो. नहीं, जो आता है उसको आने दो, उसका यूटिलाइज करो. और जो नहीं आ रहा है उसको रहने दो. My son was talking very nicely, Daddy, that me and my wife has made a plan. I said, Bob, what is your plan? That we want to become billionaire. I said, very good idea. I said, how can do? Well, we are planning to buy lottery tickets. Anyway, you are joking with me. We are buying lottery tickets. You want to share with me? Half? I said, no, I don't want to share. The question is, the more you grow. Now, previously, he had only wife, no problem. Then he got a child, he's okay. Another child. Now he needs more money, no? The lova. I want more. And this is everybody. Somebody speaks, somebody don't. So if you are aging, your lova will increase. You will not know. You will never know what lova is increasing. You will say it's very normal. It's a normal living condition. What is wrong in that? No, sir. It's lova devouring you. Oh God. Kirti, how many slokas are there?
There are 13 shlokas, so in 6 more you need to finish.
No, I don't think so. Acha, quickly we'll go though, right?
Yeah.
Okay, quickly. No explanation now. न तत्रात्मा स्वयं ज्योतिर्यो व्यक्ता व्यक्तयो परः आकाशायं च धारो ध्रुवो अन्तोपमस्ततः. The soul within the body is self-illuminated and separate from the visible gross body and invisible subtle body. It remains as fixed basis of changing bodily existence, just as the ethereal sky is unchanging background of the material transformation. Therefore, the soul is endless and without material comparison. Bhagavad Gita says, second chapter, if you are saying about the soul, is amazing. It's very, very amazing. If you Asharyavat Pasadhyatadhikenam, if you read that, you will understand it. Okay? Evatmanam atmanam stam atmaneva mrisham prabhu buddhyanumanam anagrivhinya vasudevanu. My dear king, by constantly meditating upon the Supreme Lord, Vasudeva, and by applying dear and logical intelligence, you should carefully consider your true self and how it is situated within the material body. Here, Vasudeva is the killing of ill women, ill thoughts, and these kind of things. That's why he says, you meditate upon Vasudeva. He kills the Paritranaya sadhunam vinasaya duskritam. So vinasaya is done by Vasudeva form of Krishna. So he says, by the king, even you have something within your heart, maybe by mistake, so think of Vasudeva, he'll come and knock it off. Right? Chodito vipravakena natvam Dakshati takshakaha mrityo nopadhikshanti mrityuna mritum ishwaram. The snake bird Takshaka, sent by the curse of Brahmana, will not burn your true self. The agent of death will never burn such a master of the self as you, for you have already conquered all dangers and on your path back to Godhead. Krishna Krishna Mahabaho Bhaktanam Bhavayankara Twami Eko Dayamananam Apaparago Samsritehe. The Lord installed the fearlessness in the heart of the devotees, man. Believe me or not. Fearlessness. And that's what he's saying now. Takshaka and on, doesn't really matter. You are beyond. You'll be seeing Takshaka coming. You don't get afraid because you are not there in the body. You become upadrishta numantacha. You'll be saying how Takshaka is going to come. You see? Now, aham brahma param dhama brahmaham padam padam evam samiksha chatmanam atmanyadhyaya niskale dasantam takshakam pade lihihanam vishanay na drakshati sarira cha vishwa cha prithak atmanah. You should consider. Now, whatever he says, you means all of us. He is a nimitta matra. So, what we should consider? I am not different from the absolute truth. The supreme abode. That supreme absolute truth. The supreme destination. It is not different from me. You know why? Because I am the part and parcel of God. If you have this feeling, we'll never be afraid of it. Thus, resigning yourself to the super soul, who is free from all material contamination, misidentification, you will not even notice the snake bird Takshaka when he approaches with the poison-filled fangs and bite your foot. Nor will you see your dying body of the material world around you, because you will have realized yourself to be separate from them. What a lovely instruction, right? For every one of us. Let us prepare. Let us have the outer body experience. At least few minutes a day, we have to feel that really I'm nothing. I am his part and parcel. और जो मैं बार बार कहता हूँ, सीताराम 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 कहिए, जे विधि राखे राम से ही विधि रहिए, यही जाहि विधि राखे राम से ही विधि रहिए. Now we should consider, I am not the doer, and if Krishna wants to do, let him do. But yes, I will facilitate. I will become a dancing doll in his hand. I will become a pawn in the pawns in the chessboard of Krishna. Let him place. The same pawn sometime killed the king and the queen. Pawn. Where the pawn is just like that. So Krishna can put us in a situation that sometime we become recognized in the devotee circle. Sometime we may be defamed in the devotee circle. But whatever fame and defame is for the body, not for the self. And if Krishna wants such a way, then really who cares? So let's say the last sloka. Etatte kathitam tata yadatma prishtava nirpa harer vishwatmano cheshtam kim bhuya shrotum ichhasi. Last. Beloved King Parikshit, I have narrated to you the topics you originally inquired about, the pastimes of Lord Hari, the super soul of the universe. Now, what more do you wish to hear? Here he says, beloved Parikshit. Why is beloved? Because he is a devotee. And devotee always loves the devotees, up to any extent. And he says, whatever you ask, I've told you about Krishna. Various incarnation, various names, with various paraphernalia, with a different situation. Now, what more do you wish to hear? In Devi Bhagavatam it says, that Parikshit was told by Sukadeva Goswami, my dear king, if you want to hear more from me, Takshaka cannot enter so long Harikatha is going on. So tell me, you want to know more? The next sloka will come. Parikshit said, no, sir. Kirtartvasmi. You have really blessed me. No, Ache. I have no desire at all. I don't want to remain here even one more second. Why? I want to go back home, back to the Godhead. I don't want to stay. Why should I stay over here? I want to go back home to Krishna, to see him, to serve him, to adore him, to like him, to become what he wants me to do. So he was not ready. He said, I know you are potent enough. Krishna Katha going on, nothing can happen. No inauspiciousness will ever happen when Katha is going on. Never ever. Nowhere in the world. But he said, no. It's 7 days too much. Oh, I want to go and serve Krishna. Please let me go. I want to go. Paramraja, thank you very much. So do you think we all can develop this feeling that we need nothing in life except Krishna? So this is the last instruction of Sukacharya, that you should not desire anything other than Krishna. Not only end of the life, even during one is living. Parikshit was always thinking of Krishna, that's a different thing. So even we should, what do you think of Krishna? And then enjoy the life as it comes. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. At the end, you say, thus end the purport of humble servants of His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada, to the 12th canto, 5th chapter of the Srimad Bhagavatam, entitled Sukadeva Goswami's final instruction to Maharaja Parikshit.